What's up people, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a transparent text effect in Photoshop. So what we're going to do is basically we're going to take a solid color, then we're going to cut through it in the shape of the text so that it looks like it's transparent. So to start off, open up the image that you want to use as your background. I'm going to use this image. This is a free image, so the link to the image and the site is in the description. Then use the text tool to type in your text. You can type in anything you like. I'm going to type in transparent. Then make sure your text looks right, it has the right size and the right font, because once we use this text to cut through the solid color, you cannot change the text. Then position your text and use the rectangular marquee tool to create a rectangle around the text. Then create a new layer by clicking here and right click inside this box with the rectangular marquee tool and click on fill. I'm going to fill it with white. You can fill it with any color you like. Then you need to load up the outline of the text as a selection, and to do that, control click or command click on the thumbnail of the text layer. Then alt click on the add layer mask icon and then delete the text layer, and there you go. That is your transparent text effect. Now this is how you create the effect, but how you're going to use this effect is totally up to your imagination. For example, one more thing you can do is select the whole thing after typing the text, then create a new layer and fill this layer with solid color, and then control click on the text layer thumbnail and then add layer mask by alt clicking or option clicking on the add layer mask icon. Delete the text layer and then reduce the opacity of the solid color layer, and this is another beautiful effect. So like I said, it is totally up to your imagination how you're going to use this effect, and thanks a lot for watching and have a great day.